How to find unique items in a list? Consider that we are given a list of numbers and we need to find the unique numbers in this given list. To find the unique items in the given list, you can convert the given list to a set using set builtin function. Call the set builtin function and pass the given list as argument. The set function returns a set of unique items from the given iterable. Store the returned value in a variable, unique numbers. Now print the unique numbers to the output using a print statement. Run the program. From the given list, only 10, 20 and 30 are the unique items. The program prints the unique items to the output. Now let us take another example where we take a list of strings, fruit names, apple, fig, apple and cherry. Now in this given list, there are three unique elements, apple, fig and cherry. Let us use this set builtin function to get the unique items from the given list of strings. Print the unique fruits to the output. Run the program. Let us go through the program step by step. We are given a list of items and we passed that list of items as argument to the set builtin function. Set builtin function takes iterable as an argument and returns a set formed by the unique elements present in that iterable. We stored the returned set in a variable and then we printed it to the output. Concluding this video, we have seen how to use set builtin function to get the unique elements from a given list in Python. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.